So, Arya, now I am explaining you this kind of things. Arya, कुछ नहीं करना है, कुछ नहीं करना है. ये देखो देखो बहुत आसान है. Import plotly dot express as px. मैंने यार एक लाइब्रेरी यहाँ पे अपलोड कर दी है. अब मैंने उसी को ही कॉल करके क्या किया है, मैंने स्कैटर कर रहा हूँ. अरे यार, मंथली एवरेज टेम्परेचर, कॉमा x is equals to month, y is equals to average temperature, animation frame year, right? Size is equals to average temperature, color is equals to average temperature, open name average temperature, range y is equals to 10, 40. now देखते फटाफट. this will be the output. अरे यार, ये क्या है? ये देखो आप, px dot scatter क्या है? create scatter plot. okay, then after x is equals to month. इसका मतलब क्या है? months go on the x axis. मंथ जो है वो सारे आपके कहाँ जा रहे हैं? x एक्सिस पे जा रहे हैं. y क्या है? अरे y कुछ नहीं यार, एवरेज टेम्परेचर है. क्या है? y एवरेज टेम्परेचर. अरे यार, एवरेज टेम्परेचर क्या होता है? क्या होता है एवरेज टेम्परेचर? हमें पता ही नहीं है एवरेज टेम्परेचर क्या होता है. अरे यार, एवरेज टेम्परेचर इज जस्ट लाइक दैट, एवरेज टेम्परेचर ऑन द y एक्सिस, राइट? y एक्सिस पे एनिमेशन फ्रेम इज इक्वल्स टू ईयर, मींस each year becomes the one animation frame. हर ईयर को हमने एक एनिमेशन फ्रेम बनाया है. अरे यार, हर ईयर को क्या बनाया हमने? एक एनिमेशन फ्रेम बनाया. सो यू कैन सी हाउ द टेम्परेचर चेंजेस ओवर द टाइम. we have to be just every year we have to be just indicating as a animation frame. So you have to be just see how the temperature changes over the time. Now size is equals to average temperature. Size is equals to average temperature means the circle size depends on the temperature. Means the circle size depends on the temperature, right? So the circle size depends on the temperature. Then after we have to design the color is equals to average temperature, means color changes with the temperature, right? So the color circle size depends on the temperature. Color changes with the temperature. Example, hotter is equals to redder, right? So that will be the different kind of thing. So color changes with the temperature. After then I will just our name is equals to average temperature, means when you hover it, it shows the temperature value. When you hover, you see when you hover, so it shows the temperature value. So they will just showing the value. Range y is equals to 10, 40 means fixes the y axis. That will be the y axis 10 degrees C to 40 degrees C for the consistency, right? So they have to be just make this existency. That will be the range y is equals to 10, 50, 10, 40 means y axis, that will be 10 degree to 40 degrees C for the consistency. It's like moving chart that shows monthly temperature trends year by year, right? So I will just explain you the one story. Yes. Okay. So think it's a magic temperature calendar. Along the bottom, you have seen like January, February, March to December. Up the side, you have a temperature in a degree Celsius. After then, each dot is month average. हर डॉट जो वो आपको शो करता है is the 1 month average temperature, right? Each dot is just a month average, एक monthly average temperature आपको बता रहा है, right? So you have to just see this will the January, February, March. Upside you have to be you see the temperature in degrees C. Each dot 1 month's average temperature. Now instead of showing all years, it wants charts. Let's start in 2010. Here are the dots for all the months, right? Next frame the 2011. See how the dots moved. Next frame 2012. How look at the changes. After then, the color of the dot shows how cold, how hot or cold it was. The size of the dot also shows the temperature. Bigger means hotter. Bigger means hotter. So it's likely watching years flip mind weather diary, right? So it's watching years flip mind weather diary, month by month, dot by dot. So like this. If you want, I can make the same like that. See, it's section without your data sets. So you have to just see this will be the my like this. Okay. So you have to be seeing this will be the complete graph of that section. Okay. So this will be like that. This will be all the you have to be just seeing. This will be the months are there, right? Different months. Okay, different months are there. January to December. This all are the years. We have to be just mention on it. and this will be the average temperature, right? 10 to 40 we have to be assigned, so this will be the 10 to 40, that will be the average temperature are there, right? After then we are seeing this will be the different things, right? We'll just on it. You see this will be the fluctuation, right? So this will be the great thing. This January, that will be the uh, uh, we have to be seeing this will be the 18-degree temperature, year of 2019, and month of uh, that will be, I will just write like this. This will be the 2009, 2009 14 degree, that will be there. Okay. After that, in the 2009 we have to just see this will be like that. Then I will just click on this section. I will 2009 February in 17 degree, like this will be the 23 degree. This will be the 30 degree, 35 degree. After then 37. Then this will be the 33. After then we just see this will be the 30 degree, 38, 20, 25, 19, and the 15 degree. So this will be the complete graph of that section. In the 2010, the temperature, the weather will be changes. Again, we have to just go on it, and this will be changes. Again, you have to just see this will be the changes. You have to just see this will be all are the changes like this, right? So this will be the history we are just creating of that kind of things, right? So this will be like that. This will be the extreme like that. Okay, this will be the extreme because 37 is too most like this, and this will be the 39 of that's will be very high temperature, right? So this will be the complete thing. Okay. Then after of this, we are just in the new video. I will explain you this code also. Okay. So from for this, we are just meet on the next time. But I will just explain you this is what this is. I will just give you the one suggestion. Then after I will just on the next video I will explain you again. But this will be I will explain you in the short. You have to just see. This will be very easy. Like import matplot. It's what just you bringing the matplot library plotting the tools, right? Like you have to just plot something else tool and giving it the short name as a plt, so you can write like plt.plot instead of typing of the long name of every time, right? So this will be the matplot library.pyplot. I will just return on it, and I will next I will just write import matplot library.dates as a mdates. So you're bringing the matplot date handling tools, so you can easily formate or control how the dates are shown on your charts, month's name, spacing, rotation, everything, right? So plt dot for the graph, for drawing the graph, right? And mdates for making the date axis look like nice. So this will be something else, right? So I will just showing you in the next video also, and you have to be just seeing the magic. Thank you so much.